Come back fast. Come back fast. You're D-tanks. Hold them at the choke. Defang. Nice, hold down. Everyone, walk in. You pop your giga. Walk in deep. At the north in 5, get ready. 4, ready, 3, 2, 1. Off CD pa pala. You come back. Come out. Off CD pa pala to. Yo, for check. If you're T8, OC.
Guards, you can kill guards, guys.
You kill the guards here. Yaban, careful. Yaban, north now. Get ready. 5, ready, 4,
Patay yung
3, 2,
collar mo.
1. Now, drop. Yaban,
Resist ka nun.
spread. Walk. Walk the gate. Everyone, spread out south. Spread out and bonk. Everyone, come inside. You spread out. Careful the bomb squad. You careful bomb squad northwest. You, everyone, bonk the gate. I want you to spread and just bonk the gate. You guard units on the front, get ready. Yo, I need you to commit inside, everyone. Come inside. Everyone, we're gonna kill these D-tanks inside. You ready in 5, get ready, 4, 3, 2, 1, D-tanks inside. Good shit. Spread and bowl inside lang. Qs and Ws inside. And bonk. Careful, defensive there. Oh, that's already. Okay, spread. Yo, keep bonking. Yo, careful at the gate. They're looking at the gate. Careful. Yo, everyone, bonk pass now. Can you guys bonk pass now? Please, so we can walk in. Now. Everyone, we're gonna walk in deep west now. Get ready, walk in. Stop them in 5. Get ready, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big now. Big. Putak, you know. Yo, everyone, spread and come back. Yo, keep bonking. Full bonk now. They're fucking going up now.
Nagbail na.
Yo.
Bilang sila, nag-mount na sila.
Yeah, okay, just focus on castle muna.
Mga tanga ng mga gago. Putang ina, ba't nag-albion tong mga bullshit na to? Sabi nga.
Kami side. Yung falling straight to and peace up.
Bullshit na to. Nag-albion pa sila.
Yung pull the mob south. Tangina, huwag niyo i-bedrock.
Oh my god. Kaya nilagan ng house bay. Gusto na ako ang hounds at kontra bay.
Hindi mo balik yan.
Kill the Lord. Yung falling engage ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ayun yung initial engage.
Yeah,
Nabukbuk man nato ang hounds ang lisod pildihon.
Wala numbers ang hounds, sila sokol.
Number sa ilang saligan.
Numbers siya lang sa ligan.
Yeah, give it to Pinoy Hinayops. They need points. Pinoy Hinayops.
May namatay pre, namatay sa labas pre.
Starkey was killed, bro.
Turkey.
Yo, come inside. Come south.
Oh
Yeah,
my
guys,
god, you need to speak up, bro.
Yung may nag-mount up dito, you take castle fast. Yo, cut off niyo sa west side. Doon sa west side. Ditang sa west side. Ditang on the west side. Everyone, come west side. Catch nyo yan.
Huwag kayong
Malabas
matakot
na, pre.
magsasalita.
Terry nila.
Catch this guy. Matganas. Okay, full engage. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage.
4, 3, 2, 1.
8, 7, 6, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Gago na, tuno yan. Tangin ng tuno yan.
Nakaka-hype yung ano niya pre. Nakaka-hype yung pagkakall niya pre.
Okay, brawlers. Party 2 go northwest. Party 2
Sinadya
go.
yung pang-recruiting ba? Sinadya yung tuno ba?
Party 2 go northwest. Party 1 come northeast.
Ang dami pa rin
Andra,
natay sa atin par.
Ano ko sa outpost? Take nyo outpost.